We're hosting our 2018 Course Hero Education Summit.
Last year, we invited 3 educators into our office. We had so much fun, we decided to jump to 50 this year. We're gonna see how that goes, all right?
The Education Summit is a place where we can ask and answer questions. I really want to hear other educators talk about how they solve the problems that I have.
There are 2 C's and 1 C all young folks need: care, consistency, trust.
So earlier today, I was having a conversation about how do you use culture as an anchor of instruction, and how do you understand the standpoint of the learner and the standpoint of the teacher, and combine those 2 things to make effective teaching happen.
Good evening, and welcome to Course Heroes Education Summit. The idea is, how do we capture these learnings, the wisdom, the lessons, and incorporate them into our platform, and share that with more and more students. We're now on a mission to be able to identify, partner with, recognize, and celebrate great teaching faculty.
I think our role in the education system is to try and transform it from the inside out, and we have to do what I think Course Hero is beginning to do brilliantly, which is to share ideas, materials, and strategies as broadly and as generous as we can across the education system.
When we think about Course Hero, we think about this library that is being built by students, tutors, faculty in one place. And what's special about today is that we've created a microcosm of that in a physical offline location.
The educators are thirsty for new information, thirsty for new practices, thirsty for new resources. And with that, they want to make magic. And with Course Hero, they have the perfect opportunity to be able to do that.